All right, so I just installed the PPE Resonator Delete on my Duramax 3.0 with the S&B intake. And yes, the little blocker plate thing down there is removed, so it makes the most amount of noise. So the big question is, does this do anything? Well, here's the old one. So that's what GM is doing on the Resonator. So the Delete is installed already, but it's hollow, straight through. And the reasoning behind installing it was to increase the sound from the intake. So what I've got is a before and after of installing this. So let's roll it. I didn't notice any difference, so let's not roll it yet. But I didn't notice any difference inside the cab. Whether or not it shows up in the video, I don't know, because I haven't heard both videos. But it is a very nice piece, that's for sure. It was easy to install. I have the intake on there, the S&B intake. That seems to be the most popular modification for these trucks, and you do it merely for the sound. So keep that in mind when you're buying it. Don't buy it for fuel mileage increase, because you're likely not going to see an increase. So I took it out for a spin right before I installed this, so that way we can hear. And what I did was I put this microphone, see the little mic, that was up here. So when I took it for the first road test, I was thinking it would block out the wind, but it didn't block out all of the wind. So we have some wind noise on there. Now I didn't want to move it for after the test, because then we're going to get different results. So I left it there, so we're going to have some wind noise. However, now I've installed it over there so we can get some more natural, no wind noise, and we'll be able to hear it. Because when you do videos, it doesn't pick up all the noise that the S&B intake makes. So if you want noise, get the S&B intake. Swooshy noise, you'll hear it. So let's roll comparisons. All right, so your big question is, do I need this piece? No, I don't think you need that piece. That's my opinion. You can get whatever you want. I obviously bought it because I wanted it. It's a nice little bling on there. Did it add anything? You make the call on the videos. You've heard them. So it's only I think it was $160. So there's another company that makes the pipes and everything. Obviously, I don't think that those are going to make an improvement, so I didn't buy those because it was $400 something. The intake I bought because I wanted it. That piece I bought because I wanted it. I did hope for an increase in sound. I don't think I achieved that, but what can you do? On to the next thing, right? Till next time.